We're trying to figure out the average price per share. Okay, so the long way to do this is they bought 20 shares at $45.75. And then 30 shares at $46.25. And that's a total of 50. Now I'm going to get rid of these zeros by dividing every term, the top and the bottom, by 10. So that's 2 times 45.75 plus 3 times 46.25 divided by 5. And then I can tell that 2 times 45 is 90, and then 2 times 75 is $1.50. So that ends up giving you $91.50. Plus, now 46 times 25 I can't do in my head. That's 3 times 5 is 15. It's going to be a 7, 18, 12, 138, 75. And then you're dividing by 50. So that's 230.25 divided by 50. I'm sorry, not by 50. You're dividing by 5. Divide by 5. And 5 divided into 230.25. That's 4 times 5 is 20. It's 30. 6 times 5 is 30. And then 5 won't go into 2. That's going to be a 0. But that's going to be a 25. 5 will go into 25 5 times. So 46.05, and that took me less than 2 minutes working it that way. Now, the other way you could work it, and I'm not sure if it would be second nature, but I knew that you probably didn't like doing calculations. The price was $45.75, and it increased to $46.25, and that's a 50-cent increase. Okay, and so that's 50 cents times 30 shares that you bought at $46.25. That gives you an overall increase of $15. Okay? Think about this numerator up here. That's an overall increase of $15. And if I divide that by 50, it's going to tell me per share how much your increase is. And reduce each by 5, and that gives you 3 over 10, which is 0.3. So just take the original price of $45.75 plus 0.3, and that gives you $46.05. So that definitely took less time. But, I had to think about it first. And by the time I thought about it, I could have worked it this way up here. But two options.